Hey lovelies, it's Cindy from MyStyleSpot. Now I know firsthand how bad sugar can wreak havoc on your body. While I don't have diabetes, thank goodness, I have had other issues that have stemmed from too much sugar. I am a sweetaholic, I love sweets, I always have, I crave it after every meal, I want it every single day. I've tried to completely cut it out of my life and ended up binging after 2 weeks of giving it up and went crazy for a couple days. And so I've just learned I have to deal with the sugar but find better ways to do it. And luckily I have found an amazing, better, much more efficient, healthier way to satisfy the sweet tooth craving but without doing further damage to my body. And that is Xylitol by MorningPep. This stuff is amazing. If you guys haven't heard of it, look it up. It is amazing. It is a sweetener, a natural sweetener. It's actually good for you too, and it's gonna have 40% less calorie than actual sugar, 75% less carb. I mean, this is an amazing product for anyone, whether you're on the keto diet or just looking to eliminate a lot of sugar from your diet, or just all around be healthier. Unlike most artificial sweeteners, Xylitol does not have a nasty aftertaste. It is amazing, you guys. I've actually been using it for the last year, and I have shared it with my family and friends, and my mom and my sister-in-law are constantly bugging me, do you have more of that MorningPep Xylitol? It's amazing. It's not just me, like this is a great product to add in baked goods, your coffee or tea, anything where you would naturally sweeten. You're just gonna use this awesome product instead of sugar. So it looks and tastes just like real sugar, but you're not gonna need as much. It is kosher, non-GMO, does not contain wheat, soy, or dairy either. It's low carb, has a low glycemic index. It's also safe for those who have diabetes too, so that's pretty amazing. It is 100% pure. The MorningPep Xylitol is made from real birch, and it's made right here in the USA as well. The awesome thing many people don't probably know about Xylitol is it's actually great for health and oral health and for your skin too. How amazing is that? It actually reduces plaque by killing the nasty bacteria that leads to root decay. So using this regularly is gonna help your mouth be better and healthier too. You're gonna have less cavities, less gingivitis, and it actually gives you better breath too. Not only are you getting the sweet craving satisfied, but it's actually sweetening up your breath too. Pretty amazing. Studies have shown that Xylitol actually provides bone health benefits too. It actually helps slow the loss of bone tissue. It also protects bone mass. And using Xylitol regularly is also going to slow down the loss of bone volume as well. So pretty cool. Like, it's really good for your bones, your mouth, and like I said, your skin too. In fact, if you check Xylitol out on Amazon, where you can purchase it, or their site, morningpep.com, but on Amazon, they actually have some really awesome recipes. You can use it as a cleanser and a scrub, and it actually fights acne. So pretty cool that way. You can also use it as a toothpaste or a mouth rinse too. So if you check out the recipes on Amazon when you find the MorningPep Xylitol page, pretty amazing. I'm excited to try it in some of these ways because I haven't done that yet, and I think that's brilliant. So like I said, I've been using the MorningPep Xylitol for the last year. I've shared with many of my family and friends. We are all obsessed with it. I could not be happier. I can get the sweets that I want to have, but without wreaking havoc on my body. So that's amazing. If you guys want to learn more, be sure to check them out at morningpep.com. You can also, like I said, find them on Amazon and purchase it there. And while you're there, check out the thousands of 5-star reviews that they have there. Like, people love this product. And I'm totally not surprised because it's been a major staple in my diet for the last year. So be sure to check them out, you guys. If you like this video, please subscribe for free weekly content. And be sure to comment what you think. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you can, like or share this video. I always appreciate that as well. Thanks so much for watching.